Welcome to one of Slovenia's most picturesque Alpine jams, Jasna Lake in Kranjska Gora, a place where turquoise waters meet towering mountains, where nature whispers and time slows down. If you're looking for serenity, adventure, or just an escape from everyday's noise, this is it. Jasna Lake is actually a pair of interconnected artificial lakes located just a short walk from the center of Kranjska Gora, a charming alpine town in northwestern Slovenia. Surrounded by the dramatic peaks of the Julian Alps, the lake reflects nature like a perfectly polished mirror. With crystal clear waters and a carefully monitored shoreline, it's a favorite spot for both locals and tourists, especially in the warmer months. One of the most iconic sights here is the bronze statue of Zlatorog, the mythical golden-horned chemise of Slovenian legend. Perched majestically at the edge of the lake, he watches over the valley, a guardian of Alpine stories and secrets. Don't forget to stop for a photo here. It's a must. Around Jasna Lake, you'll find plenty of walking trails, benches, and wooden piers where you can sit, reflect, and take in the mountain air. In summer, brave visitors even take a dip in the chilly waters, while others simply sunbathe or enjoy a picnic on the grass. If you're visiting in autumn or spring, the changing colors paint the landscape in a whole new palette. Truly a photographer's dream. By the lake, there's a cozy cafe and terrace that offers a perfect view of the water and the surrounding forest. Enjoy a warm coffee, local pastry, or even a craft beer while soaking in the alpine calm. On some days, you might even hear soft music from street performers or catch a spontaneous local gathering. What makes Jasna Lake so unique is how approachable it is. It's just a 15-minute stroll from Kranjska Gora's town center, or a quick stop on your way to the Vršić Pass, Slovenia's highest mountain road. Cyclists, hikers, and road trippers often use Jasna as a perfect pause, a place to recharge before venturing deeper into the Triglav National Park. In winter, the scene transforms entirely. Snow blankets the mountains, the lake freezes over, and the nearby ski resorts buzz with activity. Jasna becomes a quiet, frozen fairy tale, a stunning contrast to its lively summer vibes. It's not uncommon to see couples walking hand in hand, kids sledding nearby, and photographers capturing the frozen stillness. Whether you're here for 5 minutes or 5 hours, Jasna Lake leaves an impression. It's not just about the views, it's about the feeling, the peace, the fresh Alpine air, the soft sound of water lapping at the shore. This is Slovenia at its best, raw, real, and breathtakingly beautiful. Thank you for joining me on this journey to Jasna Lake in Kranjska Gora. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this magical place is now on your travel list. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep exploring.